So that's why I'm being all sexy. Yes. Well, hello my beauties and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm 43 and I'm from the Netherlands, hence the accent. And I have been swatching, as you can see. The reason I have not done my face yet is because, well, I'm going to use a bunch of different shades. And if I make a boo-boo, I want to make it easy on myself to wipe it away. So yeah. Today is another collab video with Chelsea Murray. And I will put a picture up here. There, that's Chelsea. She's quite young. Compared to me then, but then again, who isn't? She's very creative. She likes colorful, bold, dark looks, and yeah, she just likes to play with makeup. Her voice is very relaxing, very soothing. So yeah, guys, if you've never seen her, go check her out because it is worth it. But what we decided to do was we picked a picture of each other's Instagram feed and we are going to recreate. So she picked a picture of my Instagram feed that she's going to recreate, and I'm going to recreate this one, or at least try to. Yes. So yeah, if you want to know which picture she picked and if she will succeed, you have to go to her video. It will be linked underneath the cards, under the video and all that goodness. So yeah, let's just dive right in then. I have a picture here as well, open, because obviously I cannot see it on the screen. I pulled some palettes. She's using here the electric palette from Urban Decay. I don't have that. So I that's why I went swatching. I tried to find, wow, something similar, and I used pictures of the Urban Decay palette and swatches. So yeah, I think I will succeed. So let me just show you the colors that I picked. For the transition shade, it looks a bit reddish here, but what I saw on the picture is that it is brighter orange. So for that one I got the Slush palette for the color Tiger's Blood, which is this one, and let me swatch it for you on my arm. So it's this one. Yes, which is just a reddish orange, something like that. So that's the color I'm going to start with. And then it got a little bit more difficult for me. The blue, let me see, the blue I'm probably going to mix from the Hasina 2 palette. So I'm probably going to mix these two together. So let me swatch the color Anika, which is the matte blue. Why do I do it on the wrong finger? So here is the matte blue Anika, and then here's the corresponding shimmer, which is called Myna. So I'm probably going to use those, and then I'm either going to grab this color Mohan, also from the Hasina 2, so that's this one. That's dark purple matte. Then I'm going to go over to the Paulina palette for this color, which is called Salma. I don't know yet if I'm going to use the purple matte though, but here's the color Salma. Yes. And in her inner corner, she has bright green. Technically it's a shimmer. I found something similar like that. I don't really have the same corresponding green though, so it's probably going to be a mix. I can choose from this one, which is the color Soleil from the Paulina palette. So here's this one. But that's not really it. I can also pick the color Shae from the Hasina 2 palette, which is this one. It's also a shimmer. Well, it's more of a satin. So I'm probably going to maybe mix these, but I'm probably going to use this one. And then for the inner corner color, that was a bit of a conundrum. I'm probably going to use Makeup Addiction, the Holy Glow Fantasy, and then this shade. Something like that, probably. So let me do it like that. Yes. So that's probably going to be the color scheme. And she's also doing a cut crease and such. So yeah. I don't know how chatty I will be during this process because I kind of need to, yes, okay. So what I'll probably do though is just, you know, get kind of in the zone. It's not really a tutorial. I'm just trying to recreate her look, and yeah, I will show you what I'm doing, but it's probably going to be a speed through with some music. That's basically what I think I'm doing. So yes, let me first prep my eyes with my Catrice Camouflage Cream. Still haven't gotten the... Okay. And because I'm feeling sexy... Do they stick still? A little bit? Yes. I'm going to use these guards. I have them, I want to use them, and I don't want fallout. Even though I'm doing my eyes first, I still don't want fallout. I already have kind of dark circles, and if I have green and purple fallout, I'm not getting rid of that. It kind of sticks to my skin. So that's why I'm being all sexy. Yes, yes. So let me zoom you in just a tiny bit. What my plan is to show you the color and show you the brush. I'm not going to name the brush, but I'm going to show you so you can just see what kind of shape brush I'm using. I'm starting with this one, which is a fluffy brush, but it is a bit smaller because my eyes aren't that big. And yeah, first color. Here we go. Oh, I have not set my eyeshadow base. I never do, or almost never. Cleaned the brush and I wiped a bit away because it was up too high, and I just don't like that. I know she brings her shadow up pretty high. I don't like it personally on me, so that's why I kind of wiped it away a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease. I think I need to cut the crease a bit higher than I normally would. Something like that. I have no idea. I think that she's doing more that, but because my eyes are slightly hooded, I don't want them to do that, so I'm going to actually do that. Does that make sense? Let's just fill it in for funsies. Something like that. Yes. Okay, other side, I hope. Oh, and also, I forgot to mention, I did not watch her video on how she created it. I will link it down below though. I have no idea if I'm doing what she did, but that doesn't really matter, I think. Yes, something like that, I hope. Let's start with... Can I just say that this is really not what I usually wear. It's not even what I usually create. But I'm freaking loving this. And not specifically because I'm having trouble kind of matching it to my eye shape, but just the fact that you're doing something so completely different that you would never in a million years do on your own. It's just amazing. Hasina too. Let's start with Anika first. Cleaning the brush for the color Myna. This is dry. I'm putting the color Myna on one side of my brush and this color called Grianne on the other, so that I can blend those two colors together a little bit better. I know it's not the same purple, but it doesn't really matter. What I'm going to do is the color Faye, this one, because she has kind of a sparkle here in the center. I'm going to use that on that border. Okay, bottom. The bottom of the eye. What did she do? Yes, light green first. Okay. Let's just do that. So. Color Shae. The trouble is though that I lost a little bit of that line, so I need a little bit of concealer, I think. The back of my hand. Well, I have here an angled brush, it's clean, and I'm going to try and kinda clean up here. I'm just going to place the shadows that I used a little bit higher up to make sure that that line is a little bit thinner. Okay, now let's clean up the other line. Yes. Okay, so that's cleaned up. Yes. What I'm going to do now is the rest of my face. And I know she's not wearing falsies, but I'm going to, because I always wear falsies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plop on a little liner, because she does have a tiny bit of liner, what I saw, just a little bit. And yeah, again, I'm going to plop on the rest of my face, and then I will be back and show you the finished look. So hold on tight, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. So everything is on, and here is the finished look. And I'm feeling all, I don't know, evil alien princess. Oh, and while I was putting on a falsie, my alien palette arrived, so yay! Oh, and a palette from Max Up the Makeup, their very, very first Flower Child palette. I got that one as well, so yay me. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen pictures there. And if you do not, go follow me there, because I have shown you pictures, basically. But yeah, this is how the look turned out. And let me scoot to the side so I can kind of compare it. Let's see if we can kind of do a comparison shot. I think I did good. It's not the same, but then again her eye shape isn't the same, and the shades are not exactly the same. And again, I don't think that she wore falsies. I obviously am. The falsies I am wearing, by the way, are the SOSU in style Kylie from Primark. Everything else I used on my face will be listed down below, as will Chelsea's channel, her collab video with me, and the video where she did the original eye look. I will also link. But yeah, I think I did good. Oh yeah, the Lippie is one from Catrice, one of their generation mattes in the color 080 Pillow Fight. And I'm going to film the swatch video of all the new Lippies from Catrice this week, so stay tuned for that. I don't know if she has an eye pencil in her inner waterline. I think she does, but anyway, I put this one in my inner waterline from Catrice in the color Go Green, and I think it complements it nicely. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much, Chelsea, for, well, asking me to collab with you. And yeah, this took me out of my comfort zone for real. I really do like it though. I have to work today, so I'm going to work like this, because I'm not going to take it off after all the hard work that I did. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section what you think of it. And don't forget to check out Chelsea's channel if you are from my channel. And if you are over from her channel, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like me, well, you know what you gotta do, right? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. If there are any looks that you see that you would like me to recreate, let me know. Because I think this was really, really fun. So if you, I don't know, see an eye look on Instagram and want to see me recreate it or try to recreate it, tag me in it, let me know, and I will, well, try to do that for you. So yeah, I'm going to stop. I'm going to get ready for work, and I'm wishing you a fantastic day, a fabulous evening, depending on when and where you are watching. And I hope to see you in my next one, which will be very, very soon. This was a bonus video, so my regular schedule will begin again on Thursday. So see you then. Bye, guys.